days, and it doesn't matter how tough are you, it will beat you to your knees and keep you there permanently if you let it. Good afternoon to one and all present here. My name is Vishal.
And my name is Ashwat.
And today we are going to speak on a topic, successful failures.
When we screw up, mess up everything and drop the ball, we feel like the world's ending. We feel like everything's over. We feel like giving up. But you're not the only one trying not to fail in your life. Vishal, do you know what happened to Steve Jobs?
Yes, I know. Steve Jobs, the man behind Apple, the man who revolutionized the whole digital industry, was kicked out of his own company. He was completely devastated, but he stood up and set up a new company, Pixar, and bought his old company, Apple, back.
So, who are our basketball fans over here? Well, that's good. So, I'm going to tell you about a basketball player who was kicked out of his high school basketball team. He locked himself in a room and started to cry. But now, he's one of the best basketball players. And he is Michael Jordan. So, Vishal, do you listen to rap music?
Yes, I do.
So, do you know Eminem is?
Yes, Eminem, world's fastest rapper and a boy who was abandoned by his father. He was denied from any type of formal education after getting expelled from high school. He slept on footpaths for months and once was a drug addict. Became the world's greatest star that the world music industry have ever witnessed. So Ashit, can you give our audience some more examples of world's leaders?
Well, sure I can. So everyone knows Dhirubhai Ambani, right? The founder of Reliance Industry. Well, he entered Mumbai with only 5 rupees in his pocket. He had to work for 14 hours and 7 days in a petrol bunk to fetch his living. Then founded Reliance Industry, which is now the richest and leading tycoons in our country. The life of all these people tells us one thing, and that is that it was not different from ours. They do have failures in their life. They believed in themselves, dreamed big, and dared to fail. Like Albert Einstein once said, if you haven't failed, you haven't tried something new. If you want to try something new, something original, something unique, then you must be willing to fail. When life hits you hard, hit it back harder. Now, we shall conclude the speech.
So, to conclude whatever has been said above, I would just say that you should never give up. Push yourself, pick yourself up. Push yourself, pick yourself up, adapt and change. And believe me, if you are able to do so, every failure, if it is big or small, it will be successful for sure. Thank you.
Thank you.